So I'm going to show you how to plug a hole or a screw leaking in a tire. So the first thing you want to do is get everything prepped before you pull out that screw or nail, because the air is going to be flowing out pretty quick. So I'm just putting that rubber plug in the tool with the hole at the end of it. The other tool is going to be used to remount the hole once I pull out the screw. I'm just going to use some pliers. I'm just going to pull out that nail or screw. Doesn't really matter. Now you gotta work quick. You gotta ream the hole out. Remember, the air is flowing out at this time, so you gotta work quick. I'm gonna put a little bit of rubber cement on this. Not necessarily required, but can be handy. So I'm gonna push that in, and I want just a little bit hanging out. If you push it all the way in, you're gonna lose the plug, and it's kind of pointless, and the air is just gonna keep coming out. I'm gonna just twist, and I'm gonna pull that back out, and it should be left behind in the tire. Now that it's not leaking anymore, I can take a second and take a look at what was in the tire. This is a nice little screw. So we're going to want to clean this off. We're just going to make sure to cut off any of the excess. Don't cut into the tire because you'll make another leak. If you thought this video was useful, give me a like, subscribe. Encourages me to make more videos. Alright, well, thank you and have a great day.